What's good, YouTube? Man, it's KJ 4 times in this bit, man. First POV. Me and my bro riding out in the B. I don't know if y'all see him behind me. Riding out. He got the Honda. Shit, I'm in the Q50. We just ride through the city, you feel me? Shit, we about to hop on the E-way and shit and probably cut up, head to the south, go do some little shit. Probably go, it's like bowling, go do something. Shit, we just cooling. It's a nice little Monday. Traffic a little bit, trafficking for real. Feel me? Shit. It's a nice little busy little day though. But shit, cool for us. Everybody else just not getting off work, so it's gonna be like, what it is, 5:02 shit. So it's gonna be a little traffic and shit. So I'm gonna try and get some clips on the expressway, but we're gonna see how that go. Hopefully I can, you know, if I gotta cut through that bit, you know. But shit, we should be good. I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we get on the E-way though. For sure. Now, as y'all can see, we entering the down E-way. And shit, this motherfucker packed. Hella traffic. 5 o'clock traffic. Now we gotta fight to get in. People gonna be assholes and shit. Come on, let me on there. Gotta fight to get in. Just get through all this traffic. Everybody all around. Boys doing the scat, knick-knack, paddywhack, scatty pack. They ain't on shit. Yeah. We about to ride out in this bit, though. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get out this traffic. Yep, me and my twin finally out of traffic, you know, and then got a rainbow over there to the side. You feel me? To the left, got a rainbow. Shit. It's finally calmed down, but we finna run back into it again. We finally got out of what was back there, though. But we finna run it into it right back again, so. Yeah, I'm gonna get the little bit of clips I can, you feel me? And it's raining, you know. Then what you call it, the fucking Florida state. This what we go to in the sunshine state of Florida. We go through all this fucking ups and downs, rain pouring down everywhere. It don't even matter, it just rain out of nowhere. But you get used to it all the time, you feel me? This ain't gonna be hitting it too hard, cause it been rear wheel drive, and you know, I ain't trying to go skirt. And you feel me? But shit, we just cooling, been vibing. Yeah, it's probably finna get tight back up there at the end, going towards the south side. Probably finna get messy over here. But shit, we could be good. I'm gonna hit y'all back though when they clear up a little bit more. For sure. We hopped off the expressway now. I got a little bro leading me. I don't know where we going. He leading me wherever we going. That shit. I don't know where we're going, but we hopped off of that bit. We wanted to get out that traffic, so I think we're finna take a detour route and go around, and then come, and then wherever we going at, go to our destination or whatever. Shit. If y'all liking the video so far, make sure y'all press that like button. Y'all subscribe, comment, and you know, whatever you gotta do. You feel me? Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Eat you some popcorn, chips. It don't matter. Whatever you got, go ahead and snack on that bit. And enjoy the ride. You feel me? Oh, let's get a little tunnel. Let's get a little tunnel action. Hold on. Oh yeah, we like that. Yeah, sir. Oh yeah. No, revving that motherfucker. Oh yeah, we just cutting up at the light. You know us, typical Florida stuff. All right, y'all. Shit, we back on the road. Had to make a little quick stop, you know, get my windshield wipers blades. I need some new windshield wiper blades. Then I got me a fucking McKinnon oil filter. They ain't had the oil I needed, so I got to go to another store and get that. But shit, you know what I'm saying? Just some little shit. I'll be back at this light from the ride out again. Y'all up POV, I'm gonna be a little quiet. I'm probably gonna overlap this bit with like some music or something, but you know. Alright, so I don't know if y'all boys seen the car or not, but I'm finna get out and show y'all and shit. You feel me? I'm finna holler out. That's the Q. You feel me? Yeah, you already know I'm about to get this bit right. Yeah, this bit cool or whatever, you know, just calm shit. So I get my lip. I'm ordering a different front bumper. I'm finna get some more wheels, get rid of these damn stocks. That shit. Let me show y'all my dog Honda over here. You see he on the wheels. Got a damn this all out of shit. He say he gonna go with that bit turned sideways. He about to drop this bit on some springs and shit. So it's the Honda shit. Don't peep his visor. You feel me? His visor finna go back on. All right, y'all. I just pulled up to the Wawa. Shit, I'm about to put gas in this big. Well, shit, I ain't gonna even call it a big body V6. But I'm gonna call it a big body. My little big body. You feel me? My little big body. But shit, I'm gonna put some gas in this bit. I ain't feeling this motherfucker up. Gas a little too hot for that. Let's see, y'all use that Super in 93. I put on 91 in this bit.
Pay and save with the Wawa app. You can earn 5 points per gallon with Wawa rewards when you activate the pump with the app.
Shrink.
Get the app now to start
Shrink. This pump is slow. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done pumping gas. Put this bit back on there. Close that out. Spent 30 ball. Yes, sir. How much that boy put in that bit? That nigga put a 20 ball. But nah, he got a post on it, so that bit don't really matter. 20 ball good for the little Honda, you feel me? That bit ain't bad. Alright, YouTube, man. I'm done pumping gas now. I ain't fill that bit up. I told y'all boys I wasn't filling that bit up. I wasn't filling it up. But yeah, we back in the we about to slide, I think, to shit, town center or something. We about to ride out right now. Have my little brother, he gonna leave me. I'm having him leave me. That shit, I'm waiting on him. Yeah, rolling out. We gonna roll out this bit. And if this bit a little shaky, I'm holding it bit with my hand and driving, so but I don't think it should be shaky. I think it should be stable. Just gotta wait on all these damn cars and shit. Come out and hit me. Come on, brother. Oh shit. Yeah, we in the street with it. Let these young niggas go. Oh yeah, we out in what you gotta get on the espresso? Damn, come on, bruh. We need the directions. Yeah, this I'm finna cut in front of him. I'm finna lead up, y'all. Yeah, I do what some Florida drivers don't do. You know, they don't be using blankets and stuff. Hey, I'm a person. I be using them sometimes. And you know, when you get active in traffic, you can't be using them, bitch. You gotta just slide that motherfucker. Getting on this highway, finna see how this shit finna go. Hey man, I want like 1,000 likes for this shit, right? Come on, y'all. It's gonna be my first video. I need at least 1,000 likes. Give me 10K views, 1,000 likes, shit, something like that. Or just run that motherfucker up. Get too active. Oh shit, see a Charlie in traffic. It's like a V6, I ain't gonna count. Even though I'm in a V6, hey, I'm just saying, it look like a V6. My shit don't come in no V8. But we respect all builds. Just little time. It's raining like a motherfucker out this bitch. Uh-oh, Charlie hopped behind me. He wanna play, but now it's too wet outside. Oh, my little brother popping. I don't know if we're popping. These people be driving slow, bro. I mean, I understand it's raining. It ain't raining too hard. But they be driving slow regardless around here. I just like to move around. They be going too slow. But then it is a curve at the end of the day too. And this fucking expressway, oh my God, y'all see that big ass metal plate? And I'm lowered too, so I ain't trying to run into that. Let me turn that bit off. I'm making too much. Oh shit! Oh, I dodged that bit perfectly. Yeah, that was gonna be bad. They need to fix this. Okay, they need to fix it, oh, bro. Man, I'm finna ride out now. It look like it's been opened up too. We can ride finally and cruise. Oh yeah. Tesla getting it. Hold on, they coming up. Go Tesla up. Come on. They sliding that bit. Hold on, they getting it. They slide that motherfucking Tesla. Hold on. Tell Tesla to come on, coach. The Tesla riding. They riding that motherfucker. Oh yeah. Oh, they got caught up by some traffic. I'm gonna get my little brother to come back up, man. Come on. Hold on, I'm finna slide that motherfucker. They're riding that bitch. Alright, we back. Damn, this road bumpy. Stuck at the red light. Hold on, it's green. Damn, we got the intersection back there. Oh, it's green over there, I think. Yeah, I think I like red still. Yeah. I'm looking, y'all see that. Look at this traffic. It's crazy. All these cars around me. Hey. Yeah, but I'm gonna hit y'all back. I'm gonna turn on some music and vibe for real. Hold on, I gotta get y'all a little tunnel run. Oh shit. I had to get a little tunnel run. I had to turn it back on to get the tunnel run. Alright, we just made it into town, son. Yeah. What's a little bit of traffic? This is normal, this is for real. Got Panda Express over there and shit. Got the Chatters. Got the Hobby Lobby. I don't even know what's next up there. I see Best Buy. There's something else over there, but I can't even see it from all the way over here. There you go. Five Below, Ulta, Nordstrom. You got all that. It's just a vibe for real over here. I call this the rich people's side of town. Everybody's so chill over here. But there be car guys over here too. They're like, it's just the beginning of the week, it's Monday, so I don't expect nobody to really be out. For real. I'm gonna try and drop this bit. I ain't gonna even say no day because I don't know when I'm gonna edit it. I don't know nothing. We gonna just see then. We gonna see. I'm gonna drop the bit soon. But if y'all made it to this part of the video, I want y'all to comment shit. Q50. Comment Q50 down below. If you made it to this part of the video, comment Q50. You feel me? Alright, we about to park. We gotta go find a parking space. We'll go park. Probably go walk around, shop. Cop some new drip, more than likely. Something like that. See whatever's open before it closes. It's almost about to be 7 o'clock. Dang. Ambulance over here. We got it next. Come on, Alpha. Then it's my turn. Hey, don't you move, motherfucker. I'm gone. What did he turn? I ain't even keep it. Oh, he turned down now. I'm turning right here. Turn down this here. Oh, he parking back down there. Parking up to him. See this? Dillard's parking lot. Dang, man. Everybody probably don't went home. You know, everybody out here shopping on a weekday. Except like the older cat. Somebody like me. I ain't gotta worry about waiting in all the long lines because all y'all people wanna be out and get in and out of stores. Put it there. First. What's that big? Back in. Use my mirror. I don't be trusting the back of the cameras. Alright, we in that like somewhere. That's good. I don't want to fuck up my diffuser in the back. My dog over here. You feel me? Just gonna get out. We outside. You feel me? Hey, you know we out the car now. The firefighters over there. So, you know, we just all got the umbrella because it's raining out there a bit. You feel me? Gotta keep that umbrella on. Man, out here in this rain. This shit is wild. Got my umbrella. They done ran back to the car. Shit, I'm walking. I ain't running. I got my umbrella. I ain't getting wet at all. Having a great time. Man, I'm back in the whip. I just got back in this bit. Got water all on my door and shit. It's pouring down out here. It done started getting raining even harder out here. It's crazy. It was just a little sunny, just a little bit. Nah, it was already looking like an overcast was already coming. I smelled the rain coming from a mile away. But it's all right. It's all right. The video must go on. But I am finna slide back to the crib. You know, I get y'all some highway footage if it's not too bad on that because of the rain. Because, you know, people can't drive. But we gonna see. All right, y'all. So we on the highway. Shit, man. On the way back to the crib. Shit. It was good while it was. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz. I'm gonna see y'all boys later. Peace.